Welcome to the Trina and Jessica Holiday Baking Show.
What are you baking?
Balls. The best balls you can have on your holiday season time.
Hopefully, like the brown variety.
The trick is consistency. And lots of love on your balls. But another trick is always having a fresh holiday cocktail when you're baking. Dan the man is making us. What are you making, Dan?
I'm having old fashions today.
Great combination.
Do you think those girls really need another one?
We first started out with some delicious Bloody Marys. Oh no, they're all gone. We'll see what these look like.